Hey guys, so, Xiaomi has announced a new version of its Android skin MIUI. Succeeding MIUI 11, the latest MIUI 12 software will bring a number of UI and visual improvements to eligible Xiaomi phones. It also gets new features such as a revamped dark mode, improved privacy and security tools, new animations, new wallpapers, and much more. Let's see all the new features of MIUI 12, along with details about phones eligible to receive the update. The new Dark Mode 2.0 on MIUI 12 will bring wallpaper dimming to Xiaomi phones. The feature will work in tandem with the time of day, and will gradually dim the wallpaper as daylight changes to nighttime. Xiaomi is also tweaking the way text is displayed, as users switch between light and dark modes. In MIUI 12, the phone will automatically adjust the weight and boldness of the font to reduce glare when the dark mode is turned on. Font contrast will also be adjusted depending on the user's ambient environment. This should vastly improve legibility of text in low-lit conditions. In MIUI 12, Xiaomi has visualized the core system information, allowing you to see the status of the system at a glance. Xiaomi is calling this the new sensory visual design. What this basically means is that, now when you visit the settings page on your phone, or check out things like storage availability, you will see the system information presented in the form of graphs and visual diagrams, making it easier to understand and consume. Xiaomi has also introduced super wallpapers with MIUI 12. The company has created high-precision animated 3D models of Mars and Earth based on available space exploration data. You will be able to set these super wallpapers on both your locked and unlocked phone screens. When the dark mode is turned on, the planet chosen by you for the wallpaper will also enter nighttime, thereby enhancing your visual experience. Xiaomi has focused a lot on visual redesign when it comes to MIUI 12. The new skin will bring realistic weather animations, and show real-time weather changes displayed in the form of a time-lapse movie on your screen. The animation of app icons also gets a refresh. App icons will now generate real-time feedback based on your gestures. Xiaomi says changes in gesture direction and speed will cause application icons to react differently. For instance, when you delete an application, the ripple animation will also affect the surrounding app icons. In other areas, you'll notice new animations for screen rotation, opening and closing apps, and more. MIUI 12 also brings some new gestures to your phones. For instance, you will be able to swipe down on the notifications panel to interact with a notification, without having to abandon what you're doing. You can also slide down on the notification panel to expand it into a small window, which you can then freely drag around the screen for a split-screen effect. Xiaomi has been training its AI assistant, Xiao AI, to answer calls for users since last year. It's similar to Google's call screening feature, which was introduced with the Pixel 3. Xiaomi has now revealed that after half a year of testing, the AI phone assistant has answered 4 million calls for closed beta users. With MIUI 12, Xiaomi has officially upgraded the AI phone assistant to a feature called AI calling. With it, users will be able to customize the language in which they want their calls to be answered. They will also be able to switch between automatic or manual call answering. However, it's unclear right now if the feature will roll out to users outside of China. MIUI 12 also brings enhanced privacy features to Xiaomi phones. For instance, you can now choose to grant permissions to apps only once or only while you're using them. Permissions will be revoked once you're done using an app. For apps that don't clarify the use of permissions on your phone, the Always Allow option will not be provided. MIUI 12 will also help users keep track of app behavior. You will be able to view a record of how an app behaves on your phone, the information it collects, the other applications it uses, etc., all in one place. Photo sharing will also be safer. Xiaomi says sensitive information such as device details will be removed from image files before you share them with anyone. Xiaomi says that it'll start rolling out the stable version of MIUI 12 by the end of June 2020. Meanwhile, it'll open the beta testing program in China today. The Xiaomi and Redmi phones eligible to receive the stable MIUI 12 update, starting June, include the following devices. According to Adamora blog, no less than 40 Xiaomi, Redmi phones will get this update. However, the report says that there's no need to panic if your device didn't make the list, as almost all Xiaomi phones will eventually get the update.